Hey, what's up? What's poppin'? Buenas! Welcome back. My name is Amy, and sometimes I forget to film intros. In this video, I am going to be playing with some new Colourpop makeup. It's not necessarily new launches, it's just products I've never tried before. So keep on watching and see what happens. So to save some time from both our lives, I did my brows off of camera, but don't worry, I have multiple videos showing how I do my brows. Using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in one of their newer shades, the shade Light 10, as my foundation, I am blending all this goodness in with my new bae, the Sonia Kashuk sponge. I bought 3 of them. I'm not playing no games. I'm setting my base with the Fenty Blotting powder. This is a highly recommended product. It works so well on so many different skin tones, and it doesn't, cause cake up or anything. I love this powder so much. Now, time to play with the ojitos. Using the I Think I Love You palette, which is described as a neutral palette on Overdrive. Oh my god, right up my alley. Honestly, just looking at this palette makes me feel good. I'm going into the crease with Rowdy, which is a skin-like bone peachy kind of shade. Then building some definition with Bel Air in my crease. On my lid, I am building up the shade Girls Bite, and then in the inner corner I am using my Treat. The pigment in these shades has me so shook. My only comment is I wish there were more transition like shades. I feel like for darker skin tones it might be a little bit of a struggle, since my type is like the only deep brown matte and Let's Do It is the only black. There really aren't any deeper transition shades in this palette, so that's the only thing that I wish was different, and that I had a mirror. But Colourpop is slowly making wave with putting. For bronzer, I got a little adventurous and used Fancy Face from the I Think I Love You eyeshadow palette. I mean, this isn't nothing too new for me. This is coming from the girl who used Sin eyeshadow as a highlight for a solid 2 years, and I still do that sometimes. Then I went over it with my NARS multiple stick blush in Angolla. You see, I was able to get it bougie on a budget in my last video when I hauled this from TJ Maxx. To highlight, I am using the Estee Beam Team Hydrate and Glow Liquid Highlighter. I know this is discontinued, but I love this so much, and I've been looking for a cruelty-free version of this because the only other option that I could think of would be MAC Strobe Cream, but it's not cruelty-free. So yeah, I know that the Estee was not cruelty-free either, but I kind of made a compromise for this one. But I am looking for a cruelty-free version of this. I'm just dotting that on and blending it in with my Sonia Kashuk blending sponge. I mean, you guys know I can't put lashes on camera anyways, so I'm using one of the Colourpop lip bundles. The name of it is Trifecta. It comes with 3 shades: My Jam, which is an ultra glossy lip, Rain, which is an ultra satin lip, which is my favorite formula, and Naughty, which is an ultra matte lip. We are using Naughty, which is a mid-toned peachy nude. I really like it. It's cute. It definitely gives a little warmth to my face.